Hi guys, it's 4x4 time again, whole 4x4 time. I'm Martin and welcome to the channel. Today we're just putting the rangy tyres on, Tyre tyres. I believe they're 305 70/16s. We're changing from the Interturbo to 65 75 16s as we go into France, going to the Alps ski resort. And we're here now at Brian Tyres. And they've got me some Toyos, so we're going to put them on today. So all exciting, and hopefully they'll drive well. I'll give you a rundown of them as we go, to let you know how I feel they are, particularly to suit the Range Rover. Obviously different tyres suit different vehicles, but hey, we'll get some videos of him putting them on and maybe get a video of some of the lads. And they are great guys here. If you are local to Bristol, Brian Tyres, very professional, do a very good job, and some really competitive prices as well. But we'll see you through the video. Look, so far. Do you think they're going to fit? Not a lot of gap. She's in the air. When she drops down, that might close up a bit. We might need some new tyres in about 10 minutes. We'll wait and see. Get on the ground. Oh yeah, it is, yeah. Right. Hang on. Right, okay. Now keep going. Is it catching on the other side? Yeah, that one's fine on that side.
I on the front as well.
I bet it does.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, pop the straight off, pop straight off. Yeah, look, Mike.
Oh.
Catching.
Do you back the other way? Yeah, just.
It's just catching.
I reckon if you take that bit that goes in, just cut it
off.
Yeah.
There we are, a winner then, right?
No. It's just touching it.
I heard it. I heard it go click, 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 click. She's going down. See if she catches. Oh, that's really close. Really close. So I'm thinking we're going to need see the back exhaust, because that's quite close too. Let's have a look at the back exhaust. Back exhaust is really close. Might have to do something with that as well. But that's how she looks flat down. So let's have a look at the turn of the wheel, see how close she gets. Yeah. She's going to get real close, real quick. Get closer or not?
Yeah, it's fine.
Alright, hopefully. Not sticking out very well. Hopefully now, if I turn the wheel, you should see a bit more clearance. I'll just get that out of the way. Let me just start her up and we'll see what happens. Because it was catching, because obviously now we've got a bigger tyre, and it was catching just on the inner pieces on rotation of the tyre when we were steering left to right. Now, hopefully I've taken a little bit of plastic off. We've got to take a bit more off here because obviously when the wheel travels up into the wheel arch, it's probably going to hit a little bit more, but for the time being, just so that we can drive around places, we just took this off just so it doesn't catch. Because on certain locks, full locks, it was catching. Even on lifting the truck high up on the air suspension, it was still catching a little bit. So now I want it obviously on normal, and hopefully we'll take a little video and see if we're missing. Give me a second, turn it on.
It missed it. Yeah, I think so. Oh, actually. Yeah, you are just about missing it. It's very thin, but you are missing it.
Oh well, we'll take a bit off there, shall we? That's only plastic anyway.
You didn't touch it.
But once the edge taking off.
It is thin, it is minute though.
Okay, all we need to do is turn the wheel the other way now, so we'll just turn the wheel right that way, over that way. Right, and a little bit up here. And that should be it. Now, a little bit more clearance on that one. A bit of luck anyway.
Definitely. That's it. Alright.
We have got to do a bit more clearance on this one. There's an issue here. This bit here will catch. Because it's quite soft, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a piece of wood in here to flex it like that, and I'm going to heat it, and then that'll stay in position and it won't catch anything. But we'll give it a go a little bit later on when it's not raining. So there we go, 33's in, running nicely, but for a bit of off-roading, when we get a lot of articulation, we might catch. So I'm going to have to stick one of the wheels up in the arch, I don't know, lift it up somehow, put it on a log or something like that effect, just to see, to make sure, so when we do go across the Alps, we have got no rubbing. We want no rubbing in the Alps. We want to get it all done now, ready for the trip, so no issues. So, catch you in the next one. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Have you done the logo yet?
Oh yeah, no, I haven't.
Well, put it in then.
Okay, oh yeah, I'm doing it now,
Just put it in at the end with fancy music and that, eh?